Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stop Okta from popping up, all right? Or for example, you're working on Okta right here and there are random pop-ups at the top, okay? It gets confusing and annoying at times as you're only supposed to get that pop-up, especially on the login form, okay? So to fix that, 100% of the time you have the Okta plugin or Okta extension installed, okay? So to fix that, again, just click on the three dots besides it. Now click on options. And here we have the password management, okay? It says here recommend strong password for apps, okay? This Okta plugin will recommend strong random password when you reset app password. You can go and disable this one, okay? And also disable browser password prompts. Now, if you click on allow right here, those pop-ups will be gone. Okay, it says here when you log into Okta or to an application saved in Okta, your browser, okay, is currently asking you to save your credentials, so there will be random pop-ups, okay? Now to disable this, the plugin needs an additional permission to manage privacy settings, so just click on allow, okay? And once done, just hit on allow right here, and after that, you're good to go. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.